A very handy feature of the Generation 4 display is the Quicklines feature. Best used in tillage applications. It's not necessarily recommended for most planting situations. What Quicklines gives you the ability to do, simply stated, is quickly set a line and get auto track going. Very, very easy feature to use. If you have an operator that's out running a tillage operation, maybe is not real skilled with the monitor, would simply like to just set up an AB line and run back and forth through the field, that is really where Quicklines shines. So as we can see in this example, I'm driving north and south. I have a previous AB line from the other field that is running east and west. If I would like to set up a new line, I simply select Quicklines. Then I need to drive at least 50 feet. So the display is going to automatically create an AB line based off of how you're driving that 50 feet. So you can simply take off through the field, begin your work. Then once you complete that 50 feet, it's automatically going to create a line without any involvement, automatically turn the steering pile on, simply hit the auto track button to resume. So very, very easy feature to use. So if I'm working in one section of the field and I get into another section of the field that maybe runs in opposite direction and I would like to create a new line, I can simply use the Quicklines feature again. So as we begin to work the other direction, simply select Quicklines again, drive another 50 feet, and we will have a new line created. Go ahead and hit your resume switch to turn auto track on. Keep in mind, the actual name of the track is Quicklines. It will be added to your track list. Every time you hit Quicklines, it will overwrite the previous Quicklines. So if you're working in one section of the field and you change Quicklines, it will change the line. If you return to the previous area of the field, you will need to set the Quicklines again in order to run the opposite direction that you were previously.